Hello folks, and we've got another addition to the Seiko family. Let's take a look in the down view and see what's what. And here we go. This is a Lorus PC32-X009. It's a black, black titanium plated case. It's got a signed strap. It's got very good lume, if you give me a second. $100 water resistant. $22mm lug strap. I have actually bought a bracelet for this, so I'm not too keen on the strap. I paid a few quid for this. It still had its plastics on the bezel, it still had plastics on the glass, and it had plastics on the back, and it had a plastic on the bits there as well. So let's put it on. Don't that look the business? That is absolutely spot on, that is. Like I say, paid a few quid for it. It's got an RRP of about £65, or they can get them for about £40. But I am a sucker for anything that's black and bright orange. I really am. And I love the hands on it as well, the divers type hands. The bezel is sadly fixed. It doesn't move, and according to one website they said it's a sapphire crystal, and another website said it was hardlex, so I'm not sure, but it is beveled. It's quite a thick crystal, very clear, very clean. There's like a carbon fibre sort of ripple effect, a mesh effect in the actual central bit, you know, like where it says Lorus and all the writing and everything. It's got a date on it. I mean, it is really cool looking. Look, if you can get around to focusing, focus, you sodding thing. There we go. You know, what's not to love? And I mean, this black titanium coating looks really nice, and it is absolutely unmarked. So there we go. Let's go to the up view and we'll finish this off. There we go. Good tortoise wrist shot. And it's not as big as my Russian diver. It's getting there, you know. It's getting there. It's about 5 minutes. It's about 4 or 5 millimeters smaller diameter than my Russian diver. You know. So, still waiting for me Indian stuff to turn up. Right. I've got a Seconda Deluxe coming, and What else have I got? A couple of other bits and pieces as well, like, you know, I can't remember, there was another one as well. There's another Russian one. It's gone now, so, like, you know. First change of battery for 4 years. So I took it out of this case and I gave it a good clean. Right, new Renata battery in it. Hopefully I should get another 4 years out of that. Right, this is an Epson, very rare Epson branded 1792, which is Seiko movement, but the YM92 and the Epson YM92s they've got a slight change in the pedestal height of they are called high hands. Right. Oh, this is a lovely old piece. Like, I paid a tenner for this. Right. Very, very pleasant. The only thing I find a problem with it is actually seeing where the where everything is. I was going to say, was that upside down? No, it's not upside down. I mean, that's a good. I reckon that's worth a tenner of anybody's money. You know, I mean. So what else have we got? What else have we got? This turned up. I've probably got it right upside down. Smith's Empire. It's on a 9-carat gold expanding, very old bracelet, which is coming off because it's like this is gold and this is silver. So, but this is a 1950 Smith Empire, made in Wales. Because Smith's back then was 2 companies. There was Smith's Empire, which was the Welsh branch, and there was Smith's General, which made all the instruments for your cars, and they made watches and those clocks that you like got in the school with the little lever, and you like, you know, you could like, you know, measure time with, like, you know, you can either have it like count forward or count back, and it do a little bell, like, you know, like that's who Smiths were. He also made aircraft instrumentation. You know, they even made railway destination boards as well. All I've got to do is find a crown for that, because I don't know if you can see, but the stem is actually in it. It's got a nice lively balance, so I don't see. Now these old watches, because of the way they built them, these old watches tend to, like, you know, work, like, you know, after a long period of servicing. But it's a great British watch, it really is. You know. So there was a welcome in the valleys when he made this, boy. Oh, yucky da. Just keeping up with some of my watch keeping stuff. For £7, I bought a mixed bag of stems, because I've got quite a lot of things that need stems, and you know, I can just try these. You know, I'm going to grade them, like, you know, get them so that I've got them like in some sort of like measured thing, so I can actually pick them up, say, yeah, that one looks about right, and then I can slap it in there and see how it goes. Like, you know, that costs £7. You know, now you think that some people are charging a tenner for one Seiko stem. There are Seiko stems in there as well. I'm very pleased with that, but it's all part of keeping it going, like your watch keeping and everything. Sad to Shine I can't wear this. It's a real shame. That's Seiko, ladies Seiko quartz. Look how beautiful that is. That is just absolutely flawless. That's after me giving it a really good polish. You know. That's a really, really nice. Unfortunately, it brings her up in a rash. It's not the actual gold itself, it's the stainless steel. Right, as you can see, that's you know, I'll find a home for it. You know, if anybody wants, like, you know, I'm quite happy to, like, I mean, I might put it up on eBay. You know, this is incredible. It keeps very good time. It's a set and forget watch. There's no date complications, so you know, once it's been set, it's got a good quality Renata battery in it. There's no reason why this won't run for the next 4 or 5 years. So I'm pleased with that. You know, only paid a few quid for that as well. You know, see, it's all out there. You know. Now there was another one, was it? Oh, I can't remember now. Like, you know, it's gone. There was another watch, like. I'm trying to think what it is. This is annoying, you know. I'm going to spend this weekend doing some sorting out, tidying out. I mean, I've got some railway stuff coming in. I mean, I've really done well. I put a cheeky offer in on what's it? A HST 00 gauge power car. And normally these things go for 40-50 quid. I put in a tenner. It's like, yes, like, you know. I mean, this was, I think I paid £5 for it, like, you know. I mean, bloody hell, you know, this is a brand new watch. You know, I mean, it's a Seiko, but because of this brand snobbery that goes on there, you know, it's a Lorus, it's cheap, like, yeah, and it's like, it's ridiculous because it should be, like, you know, inside there is a PC32, VD32, or Seiko VX32 movement. It even says Seiko on it. It doesn't say Lorus, it says Seiko. It doesn't say SII, because SII is only for stuff that's not to be used in the Seiko family. If it's in the Seiko family, it'll either have Lorus, Epson, Albert, or Seiko on. And this one, it's actually, when I like checked the battery, it actually says Seiko. So, you know, it's a Seiko, and yet people won't touch them, you know. Oh, it's a Lorus, crap. It's made by the same people, you know. When they're knocking together all these Seiko chronographs and that, they don't, like, you know, say, like, send all the bad bits down to a factory, like, you know, in the rough end of town, saying, oh, that's Lorus, like, they're all scummy down there. Well, you know, they build them by the same people on the same machines. You know. But yeah, it's really good. I really am a sucker for black and bright orange. Like, you know, I love black, and I love neon colours. I am a real fan of, like, you know, proper neon. That black titanium, you know, it's really nice. Anyway, I'm gonna, like, you know, leave it with you on it was something really important I wanted to say about it, like, you know, it's like it's gone. It's like, like, you know, you know. So double thumbs up to Lorus. Right, double thumbs up to Epson. I do need some more storage. I'm going to buy next disability. I'm going to buy 2 24 cases, and that should be all my watches put away then in cases. You know, oh, Shana's down as well. You know, she came down from Glasgow for a long weekend. It's nice to have her about, because, you know, I do miss her. I mean, you know, all her life, like, you know, she, apart from when they took her into care all those times, like, you know, like, she's always been, you know, I brought Shana up on my own, really. And it's like, you know, when she's not there anymore, like, you know, it's a bit distressing sometimes, you know. But she's doing so well in her job. She's doing a really important, worthwhile job in the NHS. I'm very proud of her, very proud of what she's achieved, you know. And yeah, I just hope that she's now on a life path that she needs to be. You know, sometimes it takes a while to find out what you want to really do. So, you know, and I'm very proud of her. So's my Uncle John, so's her sister. We're all really pleased with her. So, there you go. Right, so all the soppy stuff's finished. I'm going to let you all escape. Have a good bank holiday weekend. Don't indulge too much. Do be aware that the face mask Nazis are still out there, like, you know, causing things. Oh yeah, I am now. Da, da, da. Double bubble. So I'm sorted. There you go. Alright. Let's see you in the next one, and toodle pipski. Bye.